What if I told you that everything you desire is already vibrating on a frequency you can tune into? The law of vibration is the foundation of manifesting your dream life, shaping your reality through energy and alignment. Here are 6 powerful ways this universal law can transform your life. Let's get right in. The first step to using the law of vibration is raising your own frequency to match the reality you want to manifest. Think of yourself as a radio. To tune into the right station, you must adjust your dial. The same applies to your life. You need to vibrate at the frequency of your desires. Start by identifying what brings you joy. It could be spending time in nature, listening to uplifting music, or practicing gratitude. Engage in these activities daily to elevate your emotional state. Your thoughts and emotions are direct indicators of your vibration. Positive, high-energy emotions like love, gratitude, and excitement raise your frequency, while negative feelings like fear and doubt lower it. Focus on cultivating positivity in every aspect of your life. Diet and exercise also play a role. Consuming nutritious foods and engaging in regular physical activity boosts your energy levels, helping you maintain a higher vibration. Visualization can further amplify your efforts. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already living your dream life. Feel the emotions that come with achieving your goals and hold on to that feeling as long as you can. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Their energy will positively influence your vibration, making it easier to stay aligned with your desires. The law of vibration teaches that what you attract is a reflection of your internal state. To manifest your dream life, your thoughts, emotions, and actions must align with your goals. Start by clarifying your desires. What do you want to manifest and why? The more specific you are, the easier it is to align your energy with those intentions. Pay attention to the language you use, both internally and externally. Replace limiting beliefs like "I can't" with empowering statements like "I am capable." Words carry energy, and what you speak reinforces the vibration you emit. Taking inspired action is also crucial. Once your intentions are clear, act in ways that align with your goals. For instance, if financial freedom is your dream, start budgeting or exploring investment opportunities. Alignment doesn't mean forcing results. It's about trusting the process. When you're in sync with your desires, opportunities and solutions flow to you effortlessly. Meditation can help you tune into this alignment. Spending even a few minutes a day in stillness allows you to connect with your inner self and recalibrate your energy. Practice patience. Just as a seed takes time to grow, your manifestations require nurturing and faith to materialize fully. Resistance, negative thoughts, self-doubt, or conflicting beliefs can block your ability to manifest. The law of vibration requires a clear, unobstructed path for your desires to flow into your reality. The first step in overcoming resistance is awareness. Pay attention to any limiting beliefs or fears that surface when you think about your goals. Are you afraid of failure, or do you secretly doubt your worthiness? Journaling can help uncover these blocks. Write down your fears and counter them with affirmations. For example, if you fear financial insecurity, write, "I am financially secure and abundant." Letting go of the how is also essential. Focus on your goals, but release the need to control every detail. Trust that the universe will arrange circumstances in your favor. Energy clearing practices, such as breath work or Reiki, can help dissolve energetic blockages and restore balance. When your energy flows freely, you're better positioned to attract what you desire. Take a moment each day to consciously shift your focus from problems to solutions. For instance, if you are worried about a job interview, focus on your qualifications and visualize a positive outcome. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and appreciate every step forward, no matter how small. This reinforces positive energy and minimizes resistance. Gratitude is one of the fastest ways to raise your vibration and align with the frequency of abundance. By appreciating what you already have, you signal to the universe that you're ready for more blessings. Begin your day with a gratitude ritual. Write down 3 things you're thankful for each morning, and take a moment to truly feel the emotions behind them. Expressing gratitude doesn't just raise your vibration, it also rewires your brain to focus on the positive. Over time, this shift in mindset creates a ripple effect, attracting even more reasons to be thankful. Gratitude isn't limited to big achievements. Celebrate the small joys, like a kind gesture from a stranger or a beautiful sunset. These moments collectively raise your energy. You can also practice gratitude for things you're manifesting, even if they haven't appeared yet. For example, say, "I'm so grateful for the financial abundance coming my way." This demonstrates faith in the process. Sharing your gratitude with others multiplies its effects. Write a thank you note to someone who has positively impacted your life, or simply tell them how much they mean to you. Make gratitude a continuous practice, not just a one-time event. The more you cultivate thankfulness, the more you align with the energy of abundance. Affirmations are a powerful tool for shifting your vibration and rewiring your subconscious mind. By repeating positive statements, you replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Start by crafting affirmations that resonate with your goals. If you want to manifest wealth, use phrases like, "I am financially abundant," or "money flows to me easily." Consistency is key. Repeat your affirmations daily, preferably in the morning or before bed. These moments are when your subconscious is most receptive. Pair your affirmations with visualization for maximum impact. As you say them, imagine yourself already living the reality you're affirming. Engage all your senses to make the experience as vivid as possible. Write your affirmations down and place them where you'll see them often, such as your mirror or workspace. This constant exposure reinforces their message. Affirmations aren't just about words, they're about emotion. Feel the truth of what you're saying as if it's already your reality. This emotional alignment is what makes affirmations effective. Be patient with the process. Reprogramming your subconscious takes time, but with consistency and faith, you'll notice profound shifts in your thoughts, actions, and results. Faith is the cornerstone of the law of vibration. Believing that your desires are already on their way is what keeps your energy aligned with your goals. Start by acknowledging past manifestations, no matter how small. Reflecting on times when things worked out reinforces your belief in the process. Affirm your faith daily. Use statements like, "I trust the universe to deliver what's best for me," to anchor yourself in confidence. Surround yourself with success stories and inspirational content. Hearing about others' manifestations strengthens your belief that it's possible for you too. When doubt creeps in, remind yourself that the universe operates on divine timing. Trust that delays are not denials. They're often opportunities for growth or redirection. Meditation and mindfulness can also help you build faith. Spending quiet moments in stillness connects you to your inner knowing and reassures you that everything is unfolding perfectly. Act as if your dreams are already your reality. This not only raises your vibration, but also solidifies your belief that what you desire is inevitable. Visualization is a cornerstone of the law of vibration, as it bridges the gap between your current reality and the life you desire. When you visualize, you create a mental picture of your goals, infusing them with energy and aligning your vibration to their frequency. Start by finding a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to calm your mind. Imagine your dream life in vivid detail. See yourself living in your ideal home, working in your dream job, or enjoying financial freedom. Engage all your senses to make the visualization as real as possible. While visualizing, focus on the emotions your desired reality brings. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and joy as though you've already achieved your goals. These emotions are what raise your vibration and strengthen your connection to your desires. Another effective technique is creating a vision board. Gather images, quotes, and symbols that represent your aspirations and arrange them on a board. Place it somewhere you'll see it daily to keep your focus sharp and your energy aligned. Revisit your visualization practice regularly, even if just for a few minutes each day. Consistency helps reinforce the belief that what you're visualizing is on its way. If doubts arise during your visualization, acknowledge them, but shift your focus back to your desired reality. Over time, this practice will reprogram your subconscious mind, making it easier to attract what you seek. Keep in mind that visualization works best when paired with action. Use the inspiration and clarity gained from this practice to guide your steps toward your goals. The energy of your environment plays a significant role in your vibration. Surrounding yourself with high vibrational people, places, and experiences can make it easier to stay aligned with your desires. Start by evaluating your relationships. Are the people in your life uplifting and supportive, or do they drain your energy? While it's not always possible to avoid negativity entirely, setting boundaries can protect your vibration. Choose to spend time in environments that inspire and energize you. Nature, for instance, is a powerful source of positive energy. A walk in the park or time spent near water can rejuvenate your spirit and elevate your vibration. Your home should also reflect the energy you want to cultivate. Keep your space clean, organized, and filled with items that bring you joy. Even small changes like adding plants or decluttering a room can create a noticeable shift. Practicing mindfulness helps you stay present and attuned to your energy. When you're mindful, you can catch yourself when your vibration dips and take steps to shift it back up. Surround yourself with reminders of your goals, whether it's affirmations on your mirror, a vision board in your room, or a screensaver on your phone. These cues keep you aligned and motivated. Limiting beliefs are subconscious thoughts that hold you back from achieving your goals. To fully align with the law of vibration, you must identify and release these blocks. Begin by examining your relationship with your desires. For instance, if you're trying to manifest financial abundance, ask yourself what beliefs you hold about money. Do you think it's hard to earn, or that you don't deserve wealth? Once you've identified a limiting belief, challenge it. Replace thoughts like "I'll never succeed" with empowering ones like "Success is inevitable for me." Reframing these beliefs shifts your vibration and opens you to new possibilities. Affirmations can be a powerful tool in this process. Repeat positive statements that counter your limiting beliefs daily. Over time, these affirmations will replace negative patterns in your subconscious mind. Seeking support from a coach, therapist, or trusted friend can also help. Sometimes, an outside perspective is necessary to identify and address deep-seated beliefs. Letting go of the past is equally important. Resentment, regret, or guilt lowers your vibration and keeps you stuck. Practice forgiveness, not just for others, but for yourself, to free up emotional energy for your desires. Adopt a mindset of curiosity and openness. Instead of clinging to rigid beliefs, explore new ideas and perspectives. This flexibility allows you to grow and align more deeply with your goals. Patience and trust are key components of manifesting with the law of vibration. While it's natural to want immediate results, the universe often works on its own timeline. Start by recognizing that delays are not denials. Sometimes what you're asking for requires preparation or alignment before it can appear in your life. Trust that the universe knows the best timing for your desires. Cultivate faith in the process by focusing on what you can control. While you can't dictate when or how your manifestation will arrive, you can stay consistent with your practices and keep your energy aligned. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to impatience. Instead of fixating on what hasn't arrived, appreciate what you already have. This shift in focus raises your vibration and signals to the universe that you're ready for more blessings. Use setbacks as opportunities for growth. If something doesn't go as planned, view it as a redirection rather than a failure. Often, challenges lead to even better outcomes than you initially envisioned. Keep your vision alive without obsessing over it. Regularly revisit your goals and affirmations, but don't let them consume your thoughts. Balance focus with detachment, trusting that what's meant for you will come. The law of vibration is a life-changing tool for manifesting your dream life. By raising your frequency, aligning with your desires, and releasing limiting beliefs, you can create a reality that reflects your highest aspirations. Every thought, emotion, and action contributes to the vibration you emit. When you consciously choose positivity and alignment, the universe responds in kind, bringing you closer to your dreams. If this resonated with you, like this video and subscribe for more insights into unlocking your potential. Together, let's continue this journey of growth, abundance, and self-discovery.